So here we go, cleaning a piece of Samco hose. You can see it's pretty gross, pretty filthy, and you can see the product that we'll be using to clean it, which is something everybody has, WD-40. Any car guy will have this in the garage, and all we need to do here is, with the filthy Samco hose, WD-40 and a sort of Scotch-Brite type cloth. So simply spray onto the hose, wipe with the Scotch-Brite material, and instantly you can see we're getting here a really nice clean piece of hose now. Very little effort. Then just give it a wipe with the cloth, and the area that was filthy before is now really clean.